Let's find out the number of matchsticks used to form the 1000th shape of this pattern. So we can see that this pattern consists of squares. The first figure has one square. Second figure has two squares. Third figure has three squares. We have to find out the number of matchsticks used to form the 1000th shape of this pattern. We can clearly see that the first figure is made up of 4 matchsticks. Second is made up of 4 plus 4, that is 8. So there are 2. We can also say that the first figure has 1 square. So there are 4 matchsticks, 1 into 4. The second figure has 2 squares. So number of matchsticks will be 2 times 4, that is 8. The third shape has 3 squares. The number of matchsticks will be 3 times 4, that is 12. So let's try to find a relationship between the number of matchsticks and the figure number. So we can clearly see the figure number is same as the number of groups of 4. For the first figure it is 1 group of 4. Then for the second figure it is 2 groups of 4. For the third figure it is 3 groups of 4. So can we guess how many matchsticks will be used in the fourth figure? Yes, it will be 4 groups of 4, that is 16 matchsticks. So in the 10th figure, yes, it will be 10 groups of 4, that is 40 matchsticks. Then in the 100th figure, yes, it will be 100 groups of 4, that is 400 matchsticks. Then the 1000th figure or the shape will have 1000 squares and each square has 4 matchsticks. So 4000 matchsticks will be there. We have another pattern which is slightly different. It also has the same number of squares. The first figure has 1 square. The second figure has 2 squares. The third figure has 3 squares. Number of squares is the same, but there has been some cost cutting in number of matchsticks used because one of the matchsticks is common here. Here 2 are common. So what we can do is, for such a pattern is, let us look at the first figure. It has 4 matchsticks. Now, the first square of each shape has 4. It is made up of 4 matchsticks. Now, 3 more have been added in the second figure, and 3 one time and 3 one more time have been added in the third figure too, so that we can get 3 squares. Now, we can say that 4 is there in the first square. 4 matchsticks are fixed for each shape, whatever shape we have. Like even if we have the 1000th shape, even if we have the infinite shape, the 2000th shape, the 1 lakh number shape, it will have 4 matchsticks which will be there in the first square of the shape. Now for the second figure, 1 group of 3 has been added. 1 group of 3 matchsticks. Now we can see for the third figure, 2 groups of 3 matchsticks have been added to make 3 squares. In the first figure, if we try to make the expression similar, we can say 0 groups of 3 have been added. So, can we develop a pattern or expression for the fourth figure? Now again, 4 matchsticks will be there which is fixed, the first one, and how many 3's will be added so that we get 4 squares. So let us try to see the pattern here. For first figure, there are 0 groups of 3. Second figure, there are 1 group of 3. For the third figure, we have to add 2 groups of 3. So for the fourth one, it will be how many groups of 3? Yes, it will be 1 less than the figure number, that is 3 groups of 3. Then we have, let us find out for the 10th figure. 4 is fixed. Then how many groups of 3? Yes, we have to make 10 squares. First one will be made up of 4 matchsticks and then we have to add 9 more. So it will be 9 groups of 3. Then let us find out for the 15th shape. First square is made up of 4 matchsticks plus how many 3's would we have to add so that we get 15 squares. So 14 groups of 3. Let's move on to the 100th figure. Again, first shape is made up of 4 and then how many groups of 3? 99 groups of 3 matchsticks we will have to add. Then we have for the 1000th figure. 4 is fixed. Then we have how many groups of 3? 999 groups of 3. So how to find out, how to solve these? So 3 groups of 3 is separate and 4 is separate. 4 is being added to 3 groups of 3. So we'll first find out 3 groups of 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Then how much is 9 groups of 3? It is 27 and we'll add 4. So we get 31. How much is 14 groups of 3? It is 42. And we are adding 4. So it comes out to be 46. Then we have how much is 99 groups of 3? So it is 297 plus 4. It comes out to be 301. Then we have 999 groups of 3. That is 2997. And 4 is being added. So 3001. So 3001 matchsticks will be used for the 1000th figure.